Good morning, guys. I'm sitting here chilling with Daniel. He's just in there making some more coffee. Me, I'm gonna have another cigarette, and I'm drinking some water. Gotta drink more water. I missed a meeting with the government today, but I think I'll be fine. I got another meeting in 2 days, so I'll just get everything done then. And considering that I'm technically homeless, I you shouldn't be able to sanction me or like take any amount of money away from my welfare. So everything should be fine. But I will admit it kind of bothers me that that I didn't at least call them and say I wouldn't be there, because they were very expressive about that being the biggest issue for them. People not showing up and not calling ahead of time and saying they won't show up. I genuinely woke up 2 hours too late. I'd completely forgotten it yesterday, and then I showed up and Hafi was here and we ended up talking and I made food, and then I got tired and lazy and fell asleep. But yeah, the day after tomorrow I gotta go again. Guys, just been chilling out here all day with different people, mostly with Hafi. And he gave me a great idea because I was showing him, how I was gonna attach this thing on the top of the wheel to use as a seat. And he saw what I was working with, and he was like, dude, the Velcro on the side of the wheel gave me an idea. Why don't you just like apply Velcro on the sides here and on the back and just on every surface, and use these little bags, like maybe a smaller version of this or something similar, and just kind of attach them to the unused Velcro. And I think it's going to be able to make me offload a considerable amount of weight from my backpack. This is going to be great. I just got back from shopping. Look at this, guys. Looks like the water situation's finally going to be fixed. They got a new water heater here. Let's fucking go, man. I could go with a few extra showers, man. I haven't been showering as often as I'd like. Alright, guys, I got this hub motor from a decommissioned sec board you've seen in previous videos if you're crazy enough to watch all of these. But I put it in this vise here because it is super strong, and I need both hands here. There we go. I have extracted the stator so I can get some more of these magnets out. I need a few more magnets for my light, and I'm just gonna put these on the fridge and stuff so people can hang stuff up. Just tying up loose ends, I guess. Oh yeah, I gave Naya and Jewel their bath bombs as well. Oh yeah, I also gave one to Yes, because that dude, he really likes taking baths in the bathtub. Oh yeah, this is Harvey's little gaming station.
I do feel a little sad about dying last game. Like, I can show you. Radar, Codex, player stats here. The one that's red is when I got killed. Fun
Okay,
conversation.
Harvey's gonna be gaming now. I'll tell you guys about this.
Yeah.
I've removed
my new roommate saw my
the final
investigation sticker from Internet Comment Etiquette, and he saw my hoodie of the China show, and I don't know. He figured we had like a multiple common grounds. That was fun. And then we started talking, and before I know, I was like, "Oh shit, I don't play video games."
But yeah, I took the magnets out of this thing, and I have a whole roll of them here.
By the way.
I'm gonna give them out to people here on the farm, put them on fridges, but I've applied some in here. A few extra. I probably only need like 3, but I put 5 in here instead. And then I put some more in here, 4. And then what I'm gonna do, this is my my homemade light, and this is my homemade power bank. So what I'm gonna do is basically just slap them together like so, and boom, attach it to some metal.
Oh, yeah. So what's the plan? It's nice.
I'm out here testing the electrical setup. But I'm having some issues. Gotta take the whole thing apart and test this main module here. I have a feeling it's busted. I can't really make sense of this. I just have to disassemble it completely, test that one component. It's the only way I can really find out. It's been a nice day, man. Just hanging out with Harvey all day. I'm hanging out with Stony. About to give this spatula, titanium spatula, its maiden voyage with these patties here. I think this is gonna be pretty good. Gravy's already made. And of course, got a lot of broccoli to eat. Check out this meal. I know it's very similar. It's just I'm trying to gain weight. That's why I eat a lot of this gravy here. That's heavy on butter. But other than that, I'm just trying to be healthy. Like, just eat organic, good ingredients. Itadakimasu.